Assalamualaikum and welcome back. This is Ahmad Shuray. Today I am going to draw a monstrous fish with a mysterious allure. Let's start. For flawless drawing, use pencil. So now, ready to trace. Start by drawing oval shimmer eyes. One is bigger and other is smaller. Draw eyelids. Finley is a voracious eater, and that's why she has massive size. Draw a big circle carefully. To give a fearsome look, draw the curved lines. Now draw her fins and gills. Despite being referred to as a monstrous fish, she possesses a unique and captivating beauty. With its massive size, sharp teeth, and scales that shimmer like precious gems, she becomes as captivating all who laid eyes upon her. Draw her shiny eyeballs. Now draw her tongue. Though it seems small, but it's very long and agile, possessing a unique flexibility that enables her to capture elusive prey. Outline the eyebrows. And now my favorite part, coloring. Hope you enjoy. Now it's your turn to give it a try. For more, keep watching my videos. And don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.